Today we will learn how to create a 3D section. I have already opened a 3D drawing of a double bed and we will see how we can cut a section. For that I am going to use the section plane command, which is right here at the ribbon of Home tab of 3D modeling workspace. When I click on its icon, it will ask to select a face or any point to locate the section line. I will click on this face and it will create a section instantly. I can move this section plane wherever I want to. And you can notice that as I am moving the plane, it is revealing the geometry as well. I will place it at an appropriate position. Now if I click on this plane, it will open a tab of the section plane, where I have a lot of options to control the visibility of the section. Let's click this small arrow, it will open up a window for section settings. Let's zoom in a little bit into this area. We'll go back into the section setting once again. Now if I choose to show the cutaway geometry and hit OK, it will show the cutaway geometry in the color that you can choose if you want. Resetting it to no. Now you must be aware that the boundary where the section plane touches the geometry, also known as the intersecting boundary, is always shown with a thicker line weight, and we also have to show the intersection fill. So here you can change the settings according to the need. I am changing some of the settings quickly. Changing the visual style to wireframe so that you can see the change properly. Setting it to the front view. You can tweak with the settings if you do not like the display of section. And you can always reposition the section plane anytime. You can create flat drawings of the section as well. For that you can use the flatshot command, and here also you can choose the display style. Hit the create button and a flat image of the drawing can be seen attached with the cursor. Now you just have to place it. Hit enter thrice to select the default values and a 2D drawing of the section will be created. It will come as a block which you can explode if you want to add some hatch pattern. If the line weight is not visible, just check if the visibility is on the status bar or not. If you do not find it on the status bar, you can click this customization icon and bring it on the status bar and control the visibility of line weight. Now let's try to create a side section of the bed.